Hi guys, it's Dee. Welcome back to my channel, and if you broke your bendy tripod, you're in the right place because I did it too. And I'm going to be showing how I repurposed what's left of the phone clamp thing, and I'll be using this PVC pipe that I found lying around. The pipe is about 1¼ inches wide. I'll be writing the measurements in the description box below, and I'll be using it to sort of secure the clamp thing, the phone clamp thing that's left, so that I can use it on my new PVC stand. And what I'll be doing here is very simple. I lit a candle and then I'm warming up one end of the gray pipe here so that it expands a little bit. That way I'll be able to push the base of the bendy tripod so that it fits inside, because before it wouldn't. It was just a tiny bit wider than the gray pipe, but when I heat it up, it sort of expands to accommodate the black portion that's the base of the bendy phone clamp. Don't know what the fancy term is, but I hope you can understand based on what you are seeing here. And it won't take you long, maybe 30 seconds. And once you're done, you just cool the pipe down. I put it in water so it would cool like quickly. And you could say this is pretty much the end of the steps, but don't go just yet. I'm going to be doing one more thing, actually two more things. Here's a close-up of the stand so far. You can use it now, but I decided to cut 2 pieces of wire, and each piece is 1¼ inches long. That way it will fit inside the gray pipe, but it won't stick out too much. So I'll be heating the metal and loosening the phone clamp so that when I put it down on the table it lies flat easily. And now I'll be holding the piece of metal using some pliers in case the metal heats up too much. I don't want to get burnt. Probably won't, because you won't be putting the metal in the flame for too long. And once I stick the metal inside that easily, I'm going to insert the other metal in the same manner to form a cross, crisscrossing across inside of the gray PVC pipe. I'm not sticking the metal through the black phone clamp, only passing through the gray pipe. Now the only thing left to do is to put the PVC fix on top of this PVC pipe I have here, but it's 1 inch wide and our gray pipe is 1¼ inches wide, so it's going to be loose. It's going to spin around, which is nice if you want like rotation, but remember the black clamp has that option to rotate by itself. So what you can do here is you can get some newspaper and wrap it at the top of the black PVC pipe. That way it will create a firm grip between the gray pipe and the black pipe. And you're pretty much done. You can watch my tutorial on how I made the black PVC pipe stand in the description box below. And I hope this video helped you or inspired you. I'll see you in the next video. I hope to be posting on Fridays and Saturdays at 4 p.m. East African time. So I'll see you in the next one and in the comment section below. Bye!